Good afternoon to you. First morning meteorologist Eric Burris here with you for Coffee Talk, the afternoon edition of Coffee Talk. We get together 5 days a week, chat about what's going on in the world of weather. It has been gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I was able to get out, do a little bit of yard work, get into the pool. Next up for me is going to be running, grabbing the kids, and then as quickly as I possibly can, getting them into the pool. I've already prepped some meatloaf. Throw that in the oven. It's gonna be a good day. I hope you're having a great day as well. In terms of the weather, here's what we're looking at. Satellite and radar composite has been gorgeous. Moisture up to our north, including a whole bunch of ice and sleet and snow. That's a mess. Glad that's not coming in our direction whatsoever. As a matter of fact, our forecast looking ahead to tonight is gorgeous. Lower 80s, working into the upper 70s. It's going to certainly be a nice mild evening across central Florida. That onshore wind still keeping that breeze warming. So little by little by little, we are all going to be getting warmer and warmer and warmer. And frankly, by tomorrow, I actually think it's just going to be plain hot. I mean, seriously, there is a cold front approaching us that's going to help to pop the heat bubble looking ahead to early next week. But all it does is it puts us back to what we would call averages. So let's look ahead to our Friday, right? And again, understand there's going to be brand new model data coming in here in the next couple of minutes. So meteorologist Cam Tran at 4 o'clock is going to have the latest on that. And then, of course, Chief Meteorologist Tony Manolfi at 5 o'clock is going to have more new model data. These next few hours, we get more and more data. But notice we're looking good. Maybe a little bit of fog to start the day for your Friday. But by lunchtime, bright sunshine, gorgeous weather. Notice into the evening, might even see a layer of sea fog coming in over on the west coast. Otherwise, it's partly cloudy skies. It really does look to be a nice forecast. Let's talk about temperatures. To start us off, overnight tonight into tomorrow morning, here's where we are headed. We are headed into the low to mid 60s. It is going to be a milder forecast. Then for tomorrow's high temperatures, take a look. 80s, Bueller. Now, the shoreline is going to be into the lower 80s, but the interior is going to be into the upper range of the 80s. And if we kind of put this all into perspective here, we're forecasting 88 in Orlando. Record is 90 degrees in Orlando, so we are going to be awfully close there. Sanford forecasting 86. Not far from 89. I think we're going to get a new record, though, in Leesburg. 88 is the forecast. 87 is the record, set back in 1962. And then, of course, the beachside spots, because that breeze is coming in off of the ocean, it is going to keep your temperatures down just a little bit. One point of note, though, again, is that while we are getting warmer and warmer today and tomorrow, that's about it. Tomorrow's the highest point. The weekend levels off just a little bit, and then by Monday, cold front will help to make enough of an adjustment that, yeah, we're actually talking about slightly lower temperatures. So let's do this. Give me 2 seconds. Bada bing, bada boom. I want to show you the weekend forecast. I know you're out there somewhere. Hold on. I have to type the word weekend. All right, so weekend forecast for right now. It's important. It's important. It's important enough. Weekend forecast for right now. Both have the check mark icon, which means both weekend days are looking unbelievably beautiful. High temperature on Saturday right now, 85. About the same thing for Sunday. Maybe a sprinkle or two late as that front moves in. But with that check mark icon, we're looking at absolutely wonderful, wonderful weather for both days. That is key. Seriously, that is key. It's gorgeous, gorgeous weather. So let's put this all together, shall we? Central Florida's certified most accurate 7-day forecast. Understand, though, I'm not at work today. It's my off day. Understand that Chief Meteorologist Tony Manolfi and Meteorologist Cam Tran, as we speak, are working on an update to this forecast package. So they'll have new numbers, fresh numbers coming up at 4 o'clock. But here's where we're at. Upper 80s today, it's toasty. Upper 80s tomorrow, mid 80s for the weekend, still gorgeous. And then a little bit lower with some showers Monday and Tuesday as that front kind of works into the area, okay? All right, speaking of warming and all of that fun stuff, looking to next week, temperatures are going to be looking nice, but that's not going to be, at least on Tuesday, my focus. My focus on Tuesday is going to be hurricane season, because March 1st every year is when we put out our WESH 2 hurricane season forecast. You're not going to find this anywhere else in town. If you live in Savannah, you may find it, because I'm working directly with my colleague who's a chief meteorologist in Savannah. But March 1st for Coffee Talk at 8 a.m., that's where we're going to debut this forecast. Where are the hot spots for this season? When do those hot spots play in? You can literally look to this to help plan vacations. Yeah. Interesting. Now, it's a forecast. It's not perfect, but all I'm going to say is last year, 75% of the named storms were called exactly where and when. So, interesting stuff. All right. That's it for our quick afternoon coffee talk update. Of course, coming up in just 24 minutes from now, meteorologist Cam Tran will kick things off on WESH 2 News at 4 with the latest forecast package. Be the sunshine in someone else's day. I will see you tomorrow morning, bright and early, for Coffee Talk at 8:30. We're going to have the very latest, of course, on your weekend forecast. Be good, y'all.